Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Miss Cosmo 2024 recently held an official press conference to announce the pageant's launch and outline its diverse, exciting activities in Ho Chi Minh City and other major tourist destinations in Vietnam. And this prestigious event has garnered the participation of over 70 territories and nations worldwide, promising a vibrant and multicultural celebration. Representatives from these countries are set to arrive in Vietnam in mid-September 2024 to engage in a variety of activities with a particular focus on the festival, which will feature a series of festival-themed events. And these events will seamlessly combine fashion, heritage, and cultural exchanges, offering a rich tapestry of experiences from the north to the south of Vietnam. The pageant aims to highlight Vietnam's unique cultural heritage while fostering international friendship and understanding. The semifinals and finals of the pageant will take place in early October 2024, culminating in a spectacular showcase of beauty, talent, and cultural pride. And this international beauty pageant is set to be a landmark event, drawing global attention and celebrating the diversity and unity of nations through the lens of beauty and cultural exchange. Miss Cosmo 2024 promises to be a memorable event, marking a significant milestone in the world of international pageants. Athesa Manalo wear the traditional attire of Vietnam, the Áo Dai, a symbol of a graceful and elegant beauty of Vietnamese woman, epitomizes the nation's cultural heritage. This exquisite garment, characterized by its long flowing lines and delicate fit, accentuate the silhouette while offering both modesty and sophistication. Typically made from luxurious silk and adorned with intricate embroidery, the Áo Dai features a high neckline, fitted bodice, and side slits that reach up to the waist, allowing to ease of movement. Its vibrant colors and intricate patterns often reflect the wearer's personality, regional influences, or special occasions, making it a timeless symbol of Vietnamese identity and pride. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!